Hi guys, this is Nupur and once again welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna review this product right here. It's a Jeeves Ayurveda's antiseptic anti-acne face mask. So this product is for those who are facing acne or breakouts these days. I've been using it for 2 weeks now and this has helped me a lot in reducing my acne and redness around my cheek area. As you can see, I have not applied any makeup on my face. I just have applied a lipstick and that's it. And this is such a savior. You should definitely go ahead and buy this thing. You'll get it in any local market. So guys, let's just hop into the video. So this face mask contains tea tree oil, long pepper oil, nutmeg oil, then a turmeric oil, neem extract, clove, then a kaolin, that is China clay, yasar, that is ash of zincum, and a multani mitti, which is really good for acne treatment and prevention, and a purified water. So yes, this face mask retails for 195 rupees, and for 195 rupees you get 120 grams, which is really good. So yes, I'll just open it for you all. So you get a lot of it, and this is how it looks like. It says it is good for oily, sensitive and acne prone skin, and it contains tea tree and clove, which is really good again for acne treatment. So I'll just read out the method of using this product. So it says you need to wash your face using the same tea tree face wash from the same brand, which I don't have. So I've already washed my face using this face wash from Neutrogena, and this face wash is really good for combination to oily skin. So if you're facing acne, then you should definitely go ahead and buy this one. I'm already running out of it, but yes, I'm gonna buy the second bottle soon. I've been loving this face wash a lot. If you have oily skin just like me, then just go ahead with this one. I'll link it down below in the description box so that you can check that out. And Nykaa is having a great sale going on. So yes, you can definitely go ahead and purchase this one if you have oily skin just like me. So yes, let's just get back to this thing. Okay, so you need to apply a thin layer of this Ayurvedic formulation all over your face and neck, and you need to leave it for about 20 minutes, and then you need to wash it using plain tap water, and yes, use once in a week. So guys, let's get started. I'm gonna tell you all how to apply this face mask. So all you need is a brush, and a ball. So this is how it looks like. So guys, let's just begin. I'm gonna tell you how to apply it all over your face. So all you need is a brush and a ball and a face mask, of course. So guys, that's it. I'll leave it for about 20 minutes and then I'll wash it off with a cool water.
So hang around for 20 minutes or read a book or do whatever you want.
So guys, you will get this product anywhere in the local market. I've got it from the local market itself, and the lady in the shop, she suggested me to apply this face mask twice a week, wherein it has written that you need to apply it only once a week. She suggested me, so that is because I think I have acne issues, and I tend to get red around my cheek area, so that's why she suggested me to apply this face mask twice a week. So just for your information, you just need to apply it only once a week, and if you are facing a lot of acne, then just go ahead and apply it twice a week before going to bed and leave it for about 20 minutes, and yes, you're good to go. So it's been 20 minutes now. I'll quickly wash it off and I'll be back. So guys, I've already washed it off, and trust me, this product is such a savior. Like seriously, just go ahead and buy this thing if you are from oily skin family just like me, and if you are facing any acne or breakouts, then this is the thing for you, and you'll be the happiest person ever. Just trust me and get your hands on this product. So yes, I really hope this video was helpful for you all, and if you enjoyed this video, then please do not forget to hit the like button, and for more of such videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yes, I'll see you in my next one. Till then, bye.